babes, welcome back to the channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video we will be featuring UNiceHair. Big shout out to UNiceHair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. Today I have their 13x4 ombre deep purple lace frontal wig. This is a body wave texture. I have her 24 inches and she's 150 density. You can purchase this wig from 16 inches all the way up to 26 inches. This is one of the fullest wigs that I've received from UNice. Keep that up, okay? For this particular look, I have done a purple install before, of course. So for this one, I went with the side part. We're gonna do a super deep side part with some exaggerated baby hairs because why not? I really wanted to keep this in the natural state as far as the body wave, so I used the biggest barrel that I have because I know that's gonna give me a wave and less of a curl, and we also wanted to retain the length. This is a really nice 24. She's very long and we did not want to take away from that, so I went throughout the hair and I added waves to the entire wig. I did customize this before filming this video, so knots were bleached and I did tweeze this hairline. I believe this was a pre-plucked hairline, but I still had to go in and tweeze. You know how that goes. The knots were perfect, like they were small enough to lift. Lace was really good. I didn't have to tint the lace. Fit was perfect. I really don't have anything bad to say about this hair. This is really one of the nicer wigs that I've received from UNice. I really love this hair, and I do like that they incorporated a dark root. That was cool. So all the links for this wig will be down in the description box if you want to see how I styled her and the finished look with this bomb part. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Everything will be down below. Discount code will be in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Seeing you got ritualistic plans in my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yep. Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I've mentioned for now, cause we're falling apart. From miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you. Passion from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you. I think you should rule out the women for now, cause we're falling apart. Leave it, you're just doing that to leave it. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. They keep falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you.